Hello students, this video lecture is for class 6 subject science, and today we are going to complete question answers and exercises of lesson 1. So let's start. First, A, take the correct option. The question is, the cell itself is made up of, and answer is B, protoplasm, and this is in page number 11. Question second, fish swims with the help of, and the answer is D, fins. Question third, an example of sensitivity in plants is, answer is phototropism. Fourth question, a human will grow from newborn baby to an adult in about, answer is 18 years. Fifth question, these are the basic building block of life, and the answer is cells. Next, fill in the blanks. All living things are made up of tiny units called cells. Second question, chloroplast and cells and cell wall are found in plant cells. Answer is plant. Third, the amount of dash an object takes up or occupies is called its volume, and the answer is space. Fourth question, an object's mass per unit volume is called its, answer is density. Fifth, new cells are constantly being formed in the body of living beings through cell division. And next, exercises, true and false. First question, plants are self-sufficient in food. Answer is true, as they can make their own food. Second question, all organisms grow at same rate. Answer is false. All living things, next question, all living things are made up of cells. Answer is true. Now, fourth question, which is in next page, liter is a unit measured to express volume. Answer is true. Mass of an object changes when its location changes. Answer is true. Next, D question, answer the following questions briefly. What is the basic structural and functional unit of life? Answer is cell is the basic structural and functional unit of life. Next, what is reproduction? Answer, the process by which living things produce the same type of living things or their own kind is known as reproduction. Third, what is adaptation? Answer, a living organism develops certain characteristics which help it to live and survive in its environment. This is called adaptation. Next question, name two general properties of matter. Answer number 4, the two general properties of matter are, it has mass, it has volume. The next question, which is question number 5th, why do living things move from one place to another? Answer is living things move from one place to another to find food and shelter. Question number 6, what is the main difference between plant and animal? Plants make their own, answer is plants make their own food, but animals cannot make their own food. Next, E, answer the following questions. First question, describe any one difference between living and non-living. Answer is living things can move while non-living things cannot. Second question, explain response to stimulus in living being with the help of example. Answer, all living beings react to changes around them. For example, when we touch a hot cup, we immediately withdraw our hand. This is how we react to the change in our environment. Third question, define excretion. Does excretion take place in plants? The process in which, the answer is the process in which wastes are removed from body of animals is called excretion, and yes, excretion takes place in animals also. Fourth question, how are plants and animals different in nutrition? So for this answer, you can draw a table in which you can write about plants and in another about animal nutrition. Plants make their own food using sunlight by the process of photosynthesis. It is a holophytic type of nutrition, and in animals do not make their own food. They depend on food made by plants and plant eaters. It is holozoic type of nutrition. Fifth question is, how are plants and animals different in locomotion? Answer: differences in locomotion of plants and animals are as follows. Plants do not move in the same way as animals do. Only their parts move. They can move or bend their parts in response to the light, weight, gravity and touch. Whilst animals move from place to place to find food and shelter. They move in many ways. For example, fish swim and kangaroo hop. So this were your exercises and question answer. In the next video we will be starting our second chapter, which is environment. Thank you.